What's up, guys? It's Mac Daddy once again from Mac Daddy Gaming on the same glorious day as the last episode. I've had my turn doing the computer destruction derby, so I'm gonna go ahead and let Emmer have his turn with this poor machine here. You can just see the damages. That was my attempt on breaking the crap. So we're gonna see what Emmett here can do. So,
all right. There goes something.
woohoo! Oh, those poor cords, Mr. Green and Mr. Pink.
They held the graphics card too. Is this it? No, this isn't it. I think.
Step on that motherboard. Oh, snap.
I gotta rip this son of a- There it goes. Hey, there's a process. I want that. Unless I jammed it in there. Shit.
Got ourselves some lovely stuff going on here.
That's all coming out.
This nice bent frame. Oh,
Oh, there you are, you piece of crap. What the fuck?
come on, muscles.
Things are a bitch and a half to break, and I don't want to get shit in my hand.
Woohoo! What do I think?
I'm gonna toss this down the stairs.
Here we go. Emmett's gonna do some more mayhem. Here we go. I just got pegged by stuff. This little thing right here.
Ow!
It pegged me. It's horrible focus,
There's a
but
hole
it's
in
good
my
enough.
hand.
That poor machine, that motherboard, is never gonna see anything again. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed Computer Destruction Mayhem. Catch us later on Mac Daddy Gaming for more gaming experience. Wait, bye, Emmer!
Bye.
Peace.